Hello and welcome back. Well, the title of this video is What Happened to My Lipstick? Well, what happened to my lipstick is it broke. Let me show you. It broke. And I'm very disappointed, but I have a solution for this. I went to the store and I bought this little plastic case. And the reason I bought the case is because I really like this Revlon lipstick. And I can continue, using it as lipstick. So I thought I would merge my handy dandy idea and take my broken lipstick and put it in either this pot, or I'm going to put it in another pot that I bought that I can't put my hand on right at the moment. But I'm going to try and do it. If not, I will transfer it to the right size. So what I do is I take my handy little digger, and I'm going, the whole lipstick is falling out. And as I said, I really like this lipstick. So what I'm going to do is try to very gracefully put this lipstick in this little tiny pot right here. Okay. Now with the camera I'm using, you just see my face, but I'm actually going to take the lipstick in this pot and this little digger, like so, and I'm going to fix it, and then I'm going to show you. All right. See, watch me. I'm going to. Actually, the whole frame broke, which is actually just this piece. I'm so disappointed. And I'm going to force what I'm doing is I'm actually forcing the lipstick out. Forcing this lipstick out. Well, I got the majority of it. So see, I got the lipstick inside the little container. Secondly, another one of my favorite lipsticks that I have gotten to like, that I had gotten as a gift from Sephora, broke, because living in Florida, our temperatures are hot. Leaving things in the car melts lipsticks. Our weather is so hot it melts lipsticks. So I'm also going to take this little lipstick that's left over, and I'm also going to put it in the same pot. Come on. Trying to get all of it because it's a really pretty color, and this small little lipstick that I putting in the pot is what I actually have on right now filming this video, and I got it out. All right, so as you can see, I took both lipsticks out and I put it in the pot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to create my own custom color, trying not to totally obliterate the colors individually, because at one time I might want to wear the Revlon one on its own, or I might want to wear the gift that I got from Sephora on its own. So I'm just trying to be as neat as possible, but I ain't being neat. So, but what is neat is the fact that these little containers are available. And I love these types of things. I get them at craft supply. You can get them at Bed Bath & Beyond if you have one near you. And over time, what it does from the actual heat is that it'll eventually melt together. And all I do is use my Sephora brand lip pencil, which is actually drying because I cleaned it. And I just take a makeup wipe and I clean off my little digger. And now I have my own custom lipstick. And it didn't mean I had to be disappointed that I don't have my favorite colors to wear. It just means that I have to take a lip brush and use it, which is very easy. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.